Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. Today is gonna be a good day and my plants are starting to grow. Hi. Back at it again with the oversized t-shirts. Paisley, do you want to go on a walk? Is that a yes? Do you want to go on a walk? Okay, come on, let's go. We are back from our walk. It's 9:30 and it is time to get some stuff done. Here's my to-do list for today. I have to upload a video. I have to do some stuff for the sorority. I need to finish editing the video I have to upload. And I actually just took Paisley for a walk, so we can check that off the to-do list. I might end up filming today because I really want to open all of my packages. But now I need to edit and get this video done so I can upload it today. I don't know why, but I just feel so exhausted today. Like yesterday, let me just tell you, yesterday was such a day. Don't assume things without knowing all the information, because if you don't know all the information, then your assumptions are incorrect. Yeah, it was a day yesterday. So I'm gonna do some editing right now. I bought a new part of this charger because my other one split. I can't get the thing off because like this thing comes off, so you can like plug in the extension part, or I think it's supposed to. It normally does. I bought this one off of Amazon. Like I swear it's supposed to come out. Whatever, never mind. So if you thought that online shopping was done, you were wrong. I found this really cute oversized shirt from Pretty Little Thing, and I'm also getting some socks. Everything is half off right now, so I'm like not mad about it. Okay, so I'm editing this video right now and I just started talking about the review that I was going to film on the Maui Babe tanning lotion, and I did end up filming it. And originally I was going to do like a full video on it, but I just didn't get enough footage for like a full video. So I am going to put it in this vlog right here, and I don't know, I guess I'll just put the footage in right now, so we'll go to that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that. I'm so excited. So I'm sure all of you guys have seen the Maui Babe tanning lotion all over TikTok. I got the Unlucky tanning jeans, and I just, no matter how long I stay in the sun, I just can't tan. Like, it doesn't happen for me. So obviously I caved and I bought the tanning lotion. I am so excited. You guys literally have no idea. I've seen so many people on TikTok swear by this stuff, so I'm gonna be really disappointed if it doesn't work. Guys, we did it. We have it. Hold on, I'll be right back. I actually bought the part 2 of this. It's like the after tanning lotion. It's supposed to like enhance your tan. I'll go get that. I'm back. So this is the Secret After Sun Tan Sealer. So you're supposed to use this and sit in the sun, and you're supposed to use this after. And I really just want to see if this is like actually worth it. Okay, so I've heard a lot of stuff about this smelling really weird. I don't want to say it smells like soy sauce. It's a very weird smell, to be honest. Oh, this one smells like coconut. That one smells so much better than that one. Okay, so here's the bikini I'm gonna wear today. This is one that I got from Cupshe and I absolutely love this one. Okay, here's the before, not super tan. That's like so tan and that's so not. The smell got worse, got so much worse. It's not good, it smells like soy sauce.
You moved out from the East Coast, California snow. You couldn't handle all the winter and the snow. So there's a lot of things you're trying to do. If you play your cards right,
I want to say I'm tan and I want to say I look tan, but I feel like I might be tricking myself into thinking I'm tan. I think I got a little bit tan, but I don't know. But now we're gonna put on the lotion. Okay, so first with the tanning lotion, I didn't hate it, but I honestly like don't see a huge difference. I feel like it would work if you like constantly used it for a while, but back to the other normal vlog. So it's the next day after I used it, and honestly I don't really know if it worked or not. I feel like it worked a little bit, but I think you have to use it a few times to like see a huge difference. But I can still smell it, and I just smell the soy sauce. It just smells like soy sauce to me. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to editing because I really need to finish this video today. I wanted to get it up by noon. So we'll see. So I think I pretty much finished editing it. I just have to add music and watch it through one more time. Hi guys, so this vlog is all over the place because I am filming this on day 3. I forgot that I wanted to show you guys how to make iced tea with a tea from my Sips By box. So I'm gonna do that right now. And I also wanted to tell you guys a little bit about Sips By. So this is my Sips By box for June. And I've talked about it a lot before because I absolutely love the brand. I've worked with them for a few months now and I literally love it. So basically what it is it's a tea subscription box and it's so fun. You get a box every single month with a bunch of different teas and tea brands to try out. When you sign up for Sips By, you go on their website and you take a little survey and you answer some questions about your flavor preferences. That way they can curate a box for you that is absolutely perfect for your taste. And they also gave me a coupon code. I will leave that up on the screen right now if you guys want to use that to save some money. But this is what the box looks like, and when you open it up it comes with a little tea card. So this just gives you all the information about all the different teas that you get in your box, and look at all the different flavors. It's so fun, and yeah, it's a super fun way to find some new tea flavors that you like. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make some iced tea using one of these tea packets. Okay, so here's everything you guys are going to need. So I have 8 ounces of hot water, and then I have some ice in there. I also have some extra ice. I don't ever like measure out the ice. It's just kind of like eyeballing it. I have some honey for sweetness and my tea packet, which smells absolutely amazing. So what you do is you take the tea packet and you put it in the hot water, and we're gonna let that steep for however long it says on the tea card. Okay, so while it's hot, I'm going to add some honey. That way it can dissolve before we add the ice in. So now you're going to add some of your ice. So this is going to water it down a little bit and make it a little bit cooler. That way when you add it to your actual glass, it won't melt the ice. So just mix that around until your ice is completely melted. And now you're just going to pour it into your glass. That's it. Super easy. And don't forget to check out Sips By. I will have all of their info in the down bar below and their website linked and everything like that. And that is how you make iced tea. It's super easy. And yeah. Why? It's 12:37 and I'm still editing. Yay, it's finally exporting. Okay guys, so I finally got my video up and look at that. It's ranked #1 out of all of my videos for the fastest amount of views, which is crazy. Oh my gosh, you guys. So now I am going to respond to some comments, and I've been working on some sorority stuff. I have some trainings to do because I am a co-head of 2 committees for next semester, so I need to do some super early prep stuff for that. My plants are growing. I think I showed you guys my plants earlier today, and you guys, they have grown so much already. Like, they're so cute. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that one is impatiens. These are daisies, I think, and I'm pretty sure those are forget-me-nots. I just finished all of my officer trainings for my sorority, and I just wanted to show off my notes because they're really cute. I'm trying to decide if I want to get ready and film a video. 3:30 right now, and I totally could. I think I am going to film because I really want to like try everything on and see all the stuff I bought. Yeah. Okay, here's my setup. So I'm gonna sit there and all this stuff is gonna be in the background. Okay, so I think I'm all ready to film. I'm gonna do a quick test shot. This is everything I am unboxing today. Kind of bought a lot. It's fine. Okay, I just finished unboxing everything. Here's the damage. I am so nervous about some of this stuff. I really hope it fits. I want it to fit so bad. So I just finished filming my video and I'm so disappointed because literally almost nothing fit, slash I didn't like. So that's really disappointing. I'm gonna have to return like literally almost half of it, probably over half of it actually. Kind of sad about it, but it's fine. And it's like 6 o'clock now and I'm gonna go see Sophie and I am so excited. If you didn't know, Sophie is my little and I'm so excited. I haven't seen her in like 2.5 months, almost 3. Hello friends, I'm at Sophie's house. Hi. It's been a long time, Sophie.
We do be social distancing though.
It's been a long time since you've been on my YouTube channel. What do you want to say?
Follow me on Instagram. It's at Sophie Online. She'll put it right here.
Yep. The sunset is so pretty. What a beautiful shot. Us if we were birds. Bro, cutest dog ever. Except for Paisley, of course. Stella! She's so cute.